hey, this is me. So you can see somebody washed my hair. Yep, I'm on a salon now. So this is one day before Eid. You can guess I'm gonna tanning my hair because my hair grow with so many grays. Because of that, I'm gonna dye my hair. So you can see they busy with my long hair. I'm done with my hair toning. I have to wait like 40 minutes to do it. So you can see my satisfied face now because I get my new hair color. And my morning routine is play up with my phone. So are you done? See my flop before? So okay, enough for play my phone. So I'm so happy because like this morning in my last fasting, like I got this from my cousin. This is my favorite bread. This is from Blissfulness. So I love this bread because like this is healthy, and she sent me several cupcakes. So and I got real hampers over here. So I got this all cute. I got rich. This is like choco coin in the bottle. Loves it. And what is this? Oh, I get pineapple cookies by Olinos. Okay. Then oh, this is my favorite. This is double chocolate by Olinos. I love it. And then the last this is this is almond cheese chips by Olinos. So thank you my cousin, love you. So happy Eid Mubarak for all of you guys. MT. You wanna send me, guys? So let's see. I wanna open this first. Oops. Oh my god. Okay. And oops. I'm gonna open this one. Oh my god. Why so hard to open? Okay. Ta-da! Looks so yummy. So I will eat this and I'm so happy because today I'm gonna eat a lot of cookies. Like this is my forever cheat day for diet. Ooh, scare. So look at how cute my fur pink floppy. Hola Slay Bear, welcome back to my channel. So good morning for you, and this is the day. So happy Eid Mubarak for all of you guys who celebrate it. So I have to be prepared this time for Eid Pray. So before that I have to booster my mood, so I have to make a coffee first. So with me.
We don't color inside the lines, but we're doing just what we like.
So look at how cute my mug. This is by Mr. Bean, and you can see, oh, Like they got Mr. Bean like do mirror himself, so cute. And you can see my coffee. So coffee like it's a job for me. Okay, like I will show you my outfit of the day. So like today I wanna wearing kaftan, and this one my favorite, like I newly bought buy online. So ta-da! This is the cutie one, Princess Jasmine kaftan. So I really love this kaftan because look at this, the pattern so beautiful, like so rare when a kaftan got a cartoon pattern, and I get this one. This is so limited. So got tassel for the waist, I can adjust it. And then like because like this is a see-through fabric, I use this yellow inner. I love this color so much, so baby. And then I wear this bag, my Fendi Peekaboo. This is so cute. I love this so much. This is my favorite because like this bag got little cute studded for the strap and for the front of the bag. This is so cute. This is my favorite. And for the shoes, I wear a bling flat shoes by Sierra Ferragni. You can see. So I love that one. So that is my outfit for today. And then after I finish my coffee, like I want to get shower and then do my makeup, because look at my face, like so pale, because you know girls have to do makeup for better world. So okay guys, so let's go. So it's time to me to go to Moscow to eat prayer for this morning. So and now I'm at the Moscow, all ready for eat pray. And then I want to wear my mukena now. So voila, this is me wearing mukena. So it's time to pray. Happy Eid Mubarak, Minal Aidin wal Faizin. So I hope you guys forgive my all mistakes. So enjoy your Eid Mubarak. So after done eat pray, I will go to. So I'm done from eat pray, and now I wanna go to my cousin like open house today, so I wanna eat a lot. Finally, I come to my cousin house. I guess my family not already came because it's still too silent for this moment, but let me see. Okay. Oh, I hear voice. And guess who I met? So, lagi pada datang di open house with my sister. Hi! Hello! I'm so hungry, and this time I eat a bento. I don't know, I just like crazy about this food. So even in this Eid Mubarak, I still chewy this yakiniku with Japanese salad. So great. Look at my face, guys. Tara, guess what it is? I get a gift from my cousin open house. Like she gave me this pretty palette, so I can't wait to see. Just let's go. Like we open. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love it. So I'm home now and I'm done with my face because like my skin feels so exhausted because like full day of makeup. So like I want to take a rest my skin, and you can hear like a lot of people like scream a lot what's World Cup, so better I'm not sleep because like they gonna bothering me with all that screams. So sorry for that phone ring. Okay, I guess I wanna end up my vlog now. Thank you so much for watching. That's so mean a lot to me, guys. So I hope you enjoy my video and see you in my next video. Bye, Slay Bae.